Hey everybody, it's Devious Chris on RDP. I'm here with Clint with Eddie Marine and Eddie Motorsports. Tell us a little bit about what we got going on here today. This is a lot of fun.
Yeah, we did our first ever event where we combined the two industries, the high performance boat industry as well as the resto mod industry. With us, we manufacture parts for both industries, and it's something that we've always wanted to do, and the day has finally come. Back in 2009, when the boat industry, fell off pretty good, Ed decided to jump into the resto mod industry, and for the last 16 years, we've now become the leading manufacturer in that as well. Our top product lines are our hinges and our pulley kits.
Is this going to be a yearly event that you put on, this open house party? I mean, this is huge.
Yeah, it's a good turnout. I want to do it next year, but we'll have to see what Boss Man thinks, and we'll talk about it probably more next week. But I want to do it next year, and yeah, it's so cool, man. I got DCB came from Phoenix, so really thank them. Eliminator, they've always been a good loyal customer to us. Howard, Cobra, yeah, I just can't thank them enough for coming, and hopefully, get some high performance boating industry back in Southern California. That's what my goal was. Everything's kind of out in Havasu now for the West Coast stuff, and SoCal is such a big industry and town, so